Want your pet to look like a swashbuckling hero? You can make our easy pet costume with a few craft supplies and our free pattern. Let's get started. For supplies, you'll need a selection of craft felt squares. I'll be using brown, blue, white, and gray, a feather, and any other type of embellishment like sequins, 2 yards of 1/2 inch ribbon and about 9 inches of 1/4 inch ribbon, a little bit of polyester stuffing, all-purpose thread. For tools, you'll need scissors, fabric glue, pins, and needles. Make sure to download the free pattern on the Professor Pincushion website. There will be a link in the description. Use the pattern to cut pieces from the felt. From the brown felt, I'm cutting my hat pieces. From the white, I'm cutting the tunic base in 2 collar pieces. From the blue, it'll be the tunic piece. And from the gray, I'll cut out the centerpiece cross, or you can make your own design. We'll make the tunic first. Take 1 yard of 1/2 inch ribbon and cut it in half. On the top of the tunic base, you can use fabric glue to attach one end of each ribbon. This will be the ties. Glue the gray cross in the center of the blue tunic piece. If you want to add more embellishment around it, you can. Add fabric glue to the wrong side of the blue tunic and attach it to the right side of the white base. To finish, fabric glue the collars to the top of the tunic base, making sure the whitest parts of the collar are at the center and overlap a little over the blue tunic, and your tunic is done. Next, we'll tackle the hat. Take the last yard of 1/2 inch ribbon and the hat brim, place in the center of the ribbon in the center of the brim. Fabric glue the ribbon center for the span of about 1 inch to the brim center. Now take the hat cap section and with a hand needle and thread, do a small basting/running stitch about 1/8 of an inch from the edge. If you need a refresher on doing a running stitch, see a link in our description. When you stitch all the way around the outside of the cap, gently pull the thread to gather enough to give it shape and add some stuffing to the inside. Pin the cap to the center of the right side of the hat brim and grab some more thread for your hand needle. Carefully hand sew the edge of the hat cap to the hat brim, going all the way around. After the cap is sewn in place, you can remove the basting stitches if you want, or you can cover them by gluing the thinner ribbon around the bottom of the cap. Take your feather and glue it to one side of your hat cap. On the same side as the feather, fold up the brim and glue in place. Lastly, trim the ribbon ties if they're too long, and your pet is ready for his next musketeering adventure. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified of our new releases. Also check out ProfessorPincushion.com to view our complete library with well over 450 sewing tutorials. If you would like to directly support us, you can join our YouTube membership and earn some exclusive perks. Thanks for watching!